Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mini pumpkin pies. First, unroll one package of refrigerated pie crusts. Use a 3-inch round cookie cutter to cut out 12 circles. Carefully press each circle into the cups of a mini muffin tin, ensuring they fit snugly. This creates the perfect base for your delicious mini pies. It's a simple start to a delightful treat. Now, let's prepare the creamy pumpkin filling. In a medium bowl, combine 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree with 2 large eggs. Stir in 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Whisk these ingredients together until the mixture is completely smooth and evenly blended. This ensures every bite of your mini pie is bursting with flavor. Carefully pour the pumpkin mixture into each prepared mini pie crust, filling them about 2/3 full. Bake your mini pies in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Look for the filling to be set and the crusts lightly golden. Once baked, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely on a wire rack. Once cooled, your mini pumpkin pies are ready to be enjoyed. You can garnish them with a dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or even a tiny dusting of nutmeg for an extra touch. These bite-sized treats are perfect for parties, desserts, or a cozy evening. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade mini pies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.